Hi everybody, it's Amy from Swisher Family Farm. I'm here again in my garden, and one of the things we're going to be planting today is some lettuce and Swiss chard and radishes, things that we can direct sow right into our garden. So we're going to have this front bed up here is going to be all lettuce and Swiss chard, radishes, and beets. So we're going to get started on planting that. You will notice that I have a new little stool that I'm going to be sitting on. I'm very excited about it. Justin got me that stool so that I could sit here in the garden, and it has little pockets on it so I can keep all my stuff in it and the seeds and everything. So I've got my seeds, my labels, the tools I'm going to need, and that's it. That's all I'm going to need. So I'll be able to sit on that and do my planting. So I do have three different kinds of radish that I'm going to be planting. These are called the Crimson Giant. They are normal. They have a red peel and white flesh on the inside. They're spicy. They get planted to about ½ inch depth. These are called sparklers. They have a white tip on the end, so I'm very excited about those. I'm looking forward to eating those. They also are a little bit spicy, high in vitamin C, planted to ½ inch depth. And then we're going to try something new. These are white radishes. They're called icicle short tops. Also planted to ½ inch depth. And what I do with the radishes is I just make a trench in the soil and plant them about 2 seeds about every inch. And then I can thin them out later if too many grow up. And then move them somewhere else. So we're going to see how they come out. The Crimson Giants we've had great success with here, so I'm hoping that the other ones we also have success. So we're going to get planting on those. Planted 2 of each variety of the radishes. So now I'm going to plant, I have a lettuce variety and a Swiss chard. This is rhubarb Swiss chard. And then we also have mesclun, which is a different, several different varieties of lettuce. So we have, or types of lettuce. We have arugula, radicchio, mustard greens, endive, and red salad bowl. So there's a mixture of it. So this is going to be a variety that's going to come up. It's spicy, which is why we're planting it next to the radishes, so that if they happen to cross-pollinate, it won't give the mesclun a different taste or the radishes a different taste because they're both spicy. So we're going to see how that works out. So I'm going to plant these. And then we have spinach, and we have 3 types of lettuce. And then over here along the end, I'm going to put some beets. And we're going to see how they come up. That has been today. I've planted my lettuce, spinach, radishes, Swiss chard, and beets. And we've got them right here in this front bed. We're going to see how they work. It is the last weekend of March already. Can't believe it. It is the last weekend of March, so we're going to plant them now and see how they come up. The last thing I'm going to do before I end is get them watered. And just a light mist with the water because the soil's already damp. We had a really good rain yesterday, so I'm just going to do a light mist just to coat the top, and that'll be it. So now we're done with our first planting in the garden, our direct sow of our lettuce, Swiss chard, radishes, beets, and mesclun, and spinach. Got a lot done today. So thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button if you like our video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and tell your friends about us. We want to try to help educate and share, what it's like to garden and trying to grow our own food. So thank you for stopping by, and we appreciate it. Have a great day.